representing the Skating Club of San Francisco, ladies and gentlemen, Vincent Zhou.
The 21-year-old from Palo Alto, California, Vincent Zhou, a world bronze medalist in his own right, also the world junior champ back in 2017. People forget he came in right behind Nathan Chen at the Olympics the last time around when he placed 6th. He could be one of those vying for a spot on the podium at the Olympics. Guys, the men just brought it here this afternoon in Nashville.
They absolutely did. He poured his heart into every second of this program. He's had such laser focus over the past few seasons, thinking about this moment, thinking about getting on the Olympic team, thinking about getting on the Olympic podium.
Vincent
to sum up
Zhou.
Vincent Zhou, he is very hungry. He is on a mission. Even coming into nationals, he said, there's no point going to nationals if I think the best I can do is second place.
He's a skater that put himself back in the conversation with his performance this autumn at Skate America, where he defeated Nathan Chen. And the consistency here is what is so inspiring. He put himself in that conversation to make the podium in Beijing, when just a year ago he didn't even make the free skate at the World Championships. So this is just a tremendous, tremendous amount of work and perseverance. This is that scoring bug, quad lutz triple toe, quad sal at the top of the program. The quad sal was under review for how clean it was. He has a track record for under rotating at times, and he did receive a cue call, a quarter or less rotated on the ice. I'd like to see that to be sure it's true.
First-generation American born to Chinese immigrants from Beijing, calls it a second hometown.
Here was his quad lutz. He was struggling with this in the 5-minute warm-up, but not here. It couldn't have been more confident. deep reach back right here into the triple toe, finishing off this combo. He's worked so hard on his jump technique.
Over 21 points on that quad Lutz triple toe loop with the grade of execution factored in. This is the quad sow cow. Now watch his right foot on the landing here. That's where the judging panel, the technical panel did call it as a quarter under. I'm going to telestrate it, or attempt to, for you guys to see where he should land versus where he did land. We can see how clean it was. Watch the right foot. That's where the toe hits. He should be landing that way. That direction is clean. He was a teeny bit short, but it was less than a quarter.
Teeny bit short.
Was less than a quarter, under rotated though, so it's just a mini hit to his grade of execution.
And here's the triple axel. Arms going right up as if you're stepping up onto a stair. Again, tight rotation. He rotates so fast. But Johnny, overall, I'm so impressed by how he's changed his technique to really work on those under rotation calls, because that was what was holding him back for so long.
Well, there were times when he would do a clean element and the technical panel would scrutinize it so hard and then call it under-rotated, at times for no reason other than they didn't have a good view or a good angle. So he cleaned everything up, has worked so hard. Drew Meekins, his coach there, along with Tom Zakryshek, told me that they've left no stone unturned in preparations for this season. They've prepared for any scenario.
Got three skaters
Vincent
over
Zhou,
100. We expect a fourth right now. Coaches
is
love it. They just saw it on the board. So does Vincent. Waiting for it. 112.78, by far his best score in the short program at Nationals.